It's a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. Take it for a test drive today.
Hi, I'm Mark Labadie, and I'd like to personally thank you for visiting our website. We're a family-owned business and been doing business for over 60 years in Mid-Michigan.